For soya chap curry, we will be needed some soya chaps and onion puree, some tomato puree, soya chap masala, garlic cloves, ginger, green chillis, 1 moti elaichi, 2 long, cardamom, some garam masala, salt, kasturi methi and some red chilli powder. Now heat the oil for deep frying the chops. Now the oil is very hot. It's time to deep fry the chops. Fry the chops till they become golden brown in color. It's time to take out the chops. Now all the chops are fried properly. The oil again, add 1 moti elaichi, green cardamoms and long. Now add the ginger and garlic paste. Now add onion puree. When the onions are done, it's time to add tomato puree. Now add green chillis, some soya chap masala, some red chilli powder, and now some salt. Add little bit water to it. Now add the chops to it. Cook the chop in masala. Now add water to it. Let the chops cook properly in the curry. And now the soya chap curry is ready.